Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be going over how to use ChatGPT for writing your CV, and if that sounds about right, then let's dive right in. Alright, so the first thing you'd want to do is to of course head over to your browser like so, and for this example we will be searching for some trending job titles. Alright, so after you're done with that, what I will do is to head over to ChatGPT and we'll say chat.openai.com. Alright, so over here what you would want to do is to of course sign up for an account if you do not have an account, but if you do then kindly log in and follow along. Alright, so as you can see, this is the page you will be greeted with if you are logged into your ChatGPT account. As you can see, currently we're on version 3.5. What I will do right now is to prompt ChatGPT to write me a sample CV for the position that I copied. And if I head over to this side right here, and it would be this one right here, account sales consultant, and these are basically job descriptions or job details, right? So that's basically it. So depending on what you're looking for, you might want to search for that and the job description or job titles related with that job. So what I will do right now is to prompt ChatGPT to write me a sample CV with the information provided. Alright, so as you can see, these are the information that you would be required. First of all, we have the address, then the objective, and of course education, certifications rather, professional experience, and some other information like skills, professional affiliate, and your reference. You can go a lot further by providing more information, just so this template here becomes a bit more structured. So that's basically how to write a CV using ChatGPT. It's just a matter of it is just a matter of knowing exactly what your job is or what the title is, and of course the job descriptions. In order to, you can use that to generate a template, and you can fill out these information on your own and then supply ChatGPT with the raw information just to generate something a bit more customized and personal. So that's basically it for this video. If this video did give you some tips or insights on how to go about the process, then feel free to give this video a like, and of course subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in another video.